Hello everyone, welcome to Webcreation. Today I will present to you video on file uploading. So let's see. I have already created a normal table where the file will be shown. Now let's choose the file as I choose this pic. Now after some time this photo that I have chosen will be uploaded on the table. Okay, that's why I have to $SQL equal to select star from table name. Just copy the previous page so that there is no mismatch. To run the query, $db query SQL just copy and paste in here, stored in $res variable. Okay, now while $res fetch array. Then print the table. Print the file, this row. Print table row. Close the table row. Just adjust this. Table data. And just copy this $row. Okay. Now go to the database. Go to the database, open the table ID, attribute name ID, and last pick. Okay, let's check. There is an error. I will check. Okay, it's a query. Now save, and you can see the link of each file here. Use images RC to show the image here and put it inside the tag. Now refresh, see what the result is. So with 200, okay, just look the page image has been uploaded correctly. At with 200, I will adjust the size of 20 perfect. I change the height width. We would add the link where there will be a link up with the previous page. So previous image with the page name and next. Close. Check it. If the video is useful to you, please subscribe to Webcreation and press the bell icon. If the button is coming, next check to file here. I will select the file in name Webcreation, choose file and submit. Wow, it's already uploaded. Now check the database, browse. You can see file uploading almost done. Thanks for watching. Wait for the next video. Bye bye.